Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your WordPress site look perfect on smartphones, you're in the right place. Today I'm giving you a full 2025 guide on how to edit the mobile menu on WordPress, step by step. Whether you're updating a personal blog or a business site, I'll show you exactly how to make your mobile menu clean, user-friendly, and on-brand. Let's dive in. First things first, log in to your WordPress site. Open your browser and go to the WordPress homepage. At the top right corner, click Login. For a quick and secure sign-in, select Continue with Google. Then choose the Google account connected to your WordPress site. Simple and safe. Once you're inside the WordPress dashboard, look for the Quick Links section. Here, click Edit Site. This launches the Site Editor, which is your control center for customizing everything from layout to menus. Think of it as your website's command station. Now we're ready to focus on mobile. In the editing interface, head to the top right corner and find the desktop view icon. Click it, and you'll see different device options. Select mobile to instantly preview how your site appears on smartphones and smaller screens. Here's where the magic happens. Look for your site's navigation area, usually a hamburger-style icon in the mobile preview. Click on it to reveal your menu structure. From here, you can add or remove menu items to keep navigation simple. Reorder links by dragging and dropping. Change labels or page titles so everything is crystal clear. Adjust fonts, spacing, and colors to ensure everything is easy to read and tap on small screens. While you're in mobile view, take a moment to tweak other design elements like text size, button spacing, and images. The goal is a smooth, thumb-friendly experience for visitors on phones and tablets. Once you're happy with the look and feel, hit Save in the top right corner. Your updates go live instantly, no extra steps needed. And that's it. You've successfully edited and optimized your WordPress mobile menu for 2025. Your visitors will now have a seamless experience no matter what device they use. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips. Drop your questions or requests for future tutorials in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!